Sorry, I forgot to record an intro, but yeah, we're welding that bolt on. It's going pretty epic. I don't want to show that phone number on the side of the truck. Yeah, whatever, you guys know that I live in Kansas, so it's fine. That's pretty cool looking. I'll be back in a minute because this is kind of boring because he's struggling to get a good connection. Alright, we're back. Here's what the finished weld looks like. It's not great. The primary reason for that is because the bolt is really, really thick and the tubing is pretty thin, so it's very, very difficult to get it to all work out properly, because if you get it to work on the bolt perfectly, then you're melting the tube. If you get it to work on the tube perfectly, then you're not getting the bolt hot enough. So it's very difficult. It is very, very slightly off, not by a lot though. You can see that the bolt is very, very, very slightly leaning to the right. Like the pipe is leaning to the right in comparison to the ground, but the bolt is also leaning to the right furthermore. So I'll probably get it on the ground and show you here in a minute. But that's what the weld looks like. I'm going to get the wheel on after I show you what it looks like on the ground. Be right back. Alright, so this might be a better angle. You can see the angle that the tubing is at, and then you can see the angle that this bolt is at. The bolt, so the tubing is aiming slightly down in comparison to the ground, and then the bolt is almost perfectly straight in comparison to the ground. So you can see that the bolt is just a tiny bit upwards from the rest of the pipe. Now I'll get the wheel on. Be right back. Alright, there we go. We've got the wheel on. We've got all four wheels on. I did some pushing around with the cart and stuff. It all works good. It does do wheelies. It's pretty cool. With my little brother in the front seat, I can do a wheelie on it, and like by standing on the back, and he freaks out. It's a lot of fun. But yeah, that's on pretty good. It does seem to have, I don't know if I can do this with my camera. I'll need to get something to prop it. I want to do this live because I really need to show you this. Hold on. So, the wheel, I don't know how, you cannot see that on camera at all. That's really distorted. Wow, that looks super weird on camera. But the wheel is a little bit, like off center. I don't know what's up with that. I think it has to do with the rim. Because right there it's really close to the rim, but then right there it's not as close to the rim. Oh, you can't see. There's not very close. There it's way closer. You still can't see it very well. But I don't know if you can see that on camera because of how weird. That looks so weird. But yeah, the thing's off center. There you go. Now you can see it. You can see that it wobbles a little bit. It wobbles back and forth. Not sure what's up with that. Probably figure it out eventually. I can't tell if it's the rim that's moving or not. I don't think it... No, it's definitely not the rim that is moving. It is the wheel. Okay, so the rim's fine, which means that it should be fine to drive it like this. Thank you for watching. You are lovely people, and bye-bye.